So you found a $250 Groupon, but you're scared to do it. I was too, but I did it, and this is how it went. From the airport, it's $50 for a taxi to the resort, but we were lucky enough to have our friends come pick us up. Prior to showing up, we printed our Groupon, and at the front desk is where you present it with whoever's name is on the room. Depending on how close your room is, you can either have a bellhop walk you to your room, or you can have them use the golf cart and take you to your room as well. On our way to the room, we were able to get a look at the Casa Blanca, which is the buffet that is at the Tropical. Okay, so this is the Tropical. Last time I stayed at the Cofresi, and if you saw my last video at the Cofresi, this is definitely a lot different. So we had a closet. It's safe in there, you know, iron, standard stuff. So our room, well, I should say my room because it's our first time here at Cofresi for the same junior suite did feel a little bit bigger, but I mean the view here at the Tropical is nicer than what I had at the Cofresi resort. After we were settled in, we headed back up to the lobby so that we could catch a golf cart ride over to Cofresi so we can meet up with our friends at the beach and hit up El Pilon for snacks. This is Cofresi Beach. I made it. So beautiful. These are the cabanas we can lay in. We're gonna go pick one, hang out, play down for a little bit before dinner. It's nice here. This was the dinner buffet at the Casa Blanca back at the Tropical. Tonight was American barbecue night. They had pork ribs, chicken, broccoli, fries, jambalaya. I think Amanda got pasta with hers. Yeah. And of course, the free drinks. Hey. So it is, what, 9 o'clock at night? Yeah. Me and Amanda are not the type to sit around in our hotel room. So even though, at all. So even though their discotecas are closed and we already went and ate, we're just kind of like exploring the resort at night and just walking the streets. And then our friend is actually going to come pick us up and give us a night tour of the city. So
we'll go to the mountains to overlook the city.
To go see the lights. I can't wait to show you guys. I love that. We just stumbled across a silent party and I want to join in so badly. This is a silent party we just stumbled across. At 3 different stations. Hold this. Hold that. This is one station. This is another station. This is another station. It's so fun. I don't know, are we?
I'm good. Oh, you're green. What are you?
Am I on green?
Yeah. What am I on?
Green.
Okay.
The next morning, we walked from our room to this beautiful view and on our way to the Casablanca for breakfast. The only thing that bothered me and Amanda a little bit was that morning we had gotten 3 phone calls back to back from a man looking for us by name that we had not met. On the way to the Casablanca, he was waiting for us and calling us by name, saying he wanted to take us on a tour to the timeshare building. When we declined, he waited for us outside of the Casablanca so that he could ask us again, and it just felt like a little excessive. Leaving on our way to go pay for our excursion for the ATVs tomorrow. I'm so excited. Oh, this guy.
We're gonna give you a welcome package and we're gonna show you some VIP area that you
She did it last time, so it's okay.
No, this is just a few minutes, you know.
No, she did it already.
When?
Last time in July.
No.
Got them.
And then tomorrow you're coming to get just the gift. You understand?
Okay.
You don't need money for that. It's just a welcome package. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. There's the bar, which Amanda's definitely going to be hitting. And we're going to go into the little excursions office to go pay for our ATV adventure tomorrow. So I just wanted to give you guys a view of all the excursions that were offered. Feel free to pause the video at this time and take a look. We decided to go with Monkeyland and to go ride the buggies. So make sure you stick around for that separate video on the excursions we did. These are the passes that you need to board your excursion, and without these, they will not let you on the excursion. I love that we can just walk out of our room and get straight to the beach. It's a sushi restaurant. Going to the bar for a quick drink. Amanda and I decided to go for a nice massage at their beautiful spa, and it was $80 per person. We were sent downstairs in the spa so that we could wait for our massages and receive our free papaya milkshakes. Thank you.
This almost in all.
Okay.
So Amanda said we're getting a couples massage.
Sometimes the room is busy.
Yeah.
And don't have another place for couple massage.
Yeah.
Then we have 5 rooms
Okay.
in that room.
Okay, baby, me and you. Our room looks a hot mess, don't mind it, but we We are all ready for dinner. Ready? Ready. So nothing too crazy for dinner here. Just a little nicer than casual. But you don't have to go super fancy to go to dinner here. And we will see you guys there. For any of the specialty dining, you need to head to the lobby in the morning and make reservations. They do fill up very quickly. After dinner, our friends took us to one of the nightclubs in the area for locals. That's me, after a few shots of tequila, trying to awkwardly learn the steps. I tried. Lucky for us, the Casablanca has a midnight buffet, and drunk and hungry, we headed straight there. Our rooms were in a great location right behind us, as you can see, because we were just a short walk to the VIP beach. Bye. Hola.
Alright, hooking up with her titties.
Okay. No, with a nice smile, and you remembered me from last vacation. No, but we got a nice little from Bring Back the Child right up front. Such a beautiful view. The wind is blowing. It feels so good today.
Hi, my name is Vladimir. I'm from Dominican Republic.
Yes.
Thank you, Vladimir.
You're welcome.
Rodicio was probably our favorite restaurant. We went twice, and they served all kinds of different types of meat. Again, this is one of the included restaurants. So it's, what did you, oh, it's a bat.
No, it's a bird.
Oh, okay. So it's our last night. We're about to head to dinner. And, well, okay. That was a raindrop dead on my forehead. Stop calling it the old people pool.
It's the old people pool. I can't be seen here.
Oh my God. We didn't have any dinner reservations this night, so we headed to El Pilon at the Cofresi. And in order to do that, we went to the lobby and jumped on the shuttle. Since this restaurant is right next to the beach, we decided to take our last night stroll on the beach together. Sadly, it was our last day, so we packed our things, left a tip in the room for Maria, and headed to the lobby to get a taxi to the airport. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any questions you have for me in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them. And don't forget that I have my excursions video coming out next. Stick around for that.